Hello everyone. Today we will show you a video tutorial in Abaqus, and we are going to demonstrate the use of springs, the use of spring elements in Abaqus user interface. So we are going to set up a very simple and quick assembly, and we'll solve it with Abaqus standard. So let's start. We're going to create a simple geometry, a simple plate in Abaqus Sketcher. Let's say 100 and 100 here. Perfect. Perfect. And we are going to use steel as a material. We'll just include the elastic properties since we are going to solve a static analysis. Density is not needed for this analysis. Let's create the relevant section and assign it on our geometry. Let's go and quickly mesh our part. Very simple geometry, hex elements, global size 5, perfect meshing. Let's move forward to our instance. I will include the same part twice, perfect, and I will put the one under the other, and by clicking this face and this face, let's flip the arrows, let's place them at a distance of 50 millimeters, and let's put this. Perfect. So now, here in the tree, under the engineering features, we right click on the springs and we select connect to points. Select these points and you have to assign a stiffness for the spring. I'm going to use 4 springs of 25 Newton each, totally 100. Let's do it quickly. Perfect. And the last one, 25. Perfect. Let's create the step, static general, leave it as it is, and now in the boundary conditions, let's fix the one plate and constraint, perfect. And what we're going to do is to validate our simulation is create a pressure loading on the upper plate, and I will select total force and I will select the magnitude of 100. And what I am expecting is that this plate moves downwards by 1 millimeter. So let's set up our job. Springs 1 millimeter. It's gonna be a quick analysis. The solution will not last much. Submit. Still running. Completed. Perfect. Right click results. Okay, the von Mises increased the edges U for the displacement. You can use this option, tools carry nodes probes, and you can get the values at each node. For example, here magnitude, you see that the value is close to 1, and if we select U3 on the z-axis, you will see that all the values of these plates are about 1 millimeter. That's why we assigned a loading of 100 newtons while using force spring 25 Newton per millimeter each. So guys, I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.